expression. Yung dance, siya yung connections between a dancer and the audience. And then, doon na sila mag-uusap through the movements, through the projections, and then yung pagka-execute ng mga dance steps with feelings. Para sa akin, it's a release of all tensions in the human's body. Yung movement, nagbibigay siya ng certain feeling na makaka-relate sa mga nanonood sa'yo. Nagsimula akong magsayaw nung 3 years old ako. Doon na nagsimula yung pagmamahal ko sa dance. And then, doon na nagsimula yung mundo ko sa dance. Dance is an art form. Any kind of art na nagbibigay ng social analysis or social awareness, it's an art. Life story siya in a movement. Meron akong theory na each of us, kahit hindi ka man lang dancer or dancer ka, considered ka as isa sa mga mananayaw kasi we move, we dance para masolusyonan yung isang problema. And then parang, ayun, we go through the obstacles of life, we go through ups and downs of life, through movements, through dance. Time management is important in every dancer. As a student artist, I manage my time by making a schedule every week. Doon naman sa pagtuturo ng sayaw or class to my other members in SBRDC. Tuwing nagtuturo ako, kailangan same amount of work yung ine-exert namin. Yun yung importante para sa akin eh. Hindi yung parang pinapahirapan ko sila pero ako, ito, nagtuturo lang. Gusto ko parang pagod din ako pag pagod sila. In 17 years of my life as a dancer, I experienced ankle sprain, knee injuries, muscle strains, blisters, lahat pa ng kahit anong injuries na yan. Part yan as a dancer. It makes you stronger, it makes you better, it makes you a better dancer. Parang kahit may injury ka, pipilitin mo talaga eh. Inspirasyon ko sa buhay is yung family ko. Kasi through all the years, nandun sila para supportahan ako. And then, ako, I'm dancing to give back what they gave to me. So parang, ngayon, I have this scholarship. So parang, ginagawa ko din kung ano yung parang ikakaginhawa nila. Para sa akin, as a Benildian, representing the school in any activities, mapa-competition man yan, mapa-festival man yan, or mapa-simpleng free dance workshop, I know and I believe that it will give glory to the school. To all the dancers out there, masasabi ko lang is follow your heart's desire and sundan nyo kung saan kayo dadali ng mga paa nyo. It's a feeling, it's an expression. That's dance. I'm Winona Javier, Assistant Company Manager of St. Benilde Romansson Dance Company, a dancer, and a proud Benildian.